presentation brought to you by the Electives Network, the ultimate tool to help you plan your elective. Medical electives provide unique opportunities during your medical studies to gain hands-on experience. You can choose to use an organised elective provider, we have quite a few listed, or you can organise things yourself. This is more work, but it can also be really rewarding. So, here are the basics to finding and organising your perfect elective. Consider where you want to go. Selecting a country to carry out your medical elective can be a difficult choice. There are opportunities to practice medicine all over the world. You could go to Peru, the USA, Australia or Belgium to name just a few, or you could study at a medical institution closer to home. The Electives Network provides detailed information on over 2,500 hospitals in 147 countries. Next, think about what area of medicine you want to study. The primary objective of humanitarian aid is to save lives, alleviate suffering and maintain human dignity. It is also about helping those in need as quickly as possible, irrespective of race, religion or political convictions. There is a growing selection of organisations offering medical electives in this exciting and often unpredictable field of work. Medical management gives you a chance to understand the challenges faced by medical professionals who work in improving healthcare systems. And a trauma-based elective gives you an exciting and varied experience. From providing support to the Cape Canaveral Air Force Station, spending a shift in a helicopter in one of the busiest airborne trauma services, or working deep within the Himalayas in a leprosy hospital, you can be sure your elective will be one to remember. Adventurous electives are for those who want something amazing and unique from their electives. From wilderness medicine to working on a Fijian medical boat, adventurous electives offer a lot of excitement. Or you could choose to work with Her Majesty's Prison Service. An elective here gives you the opportunity to work in the UK and provide healthcare in UK prisons, introducing innovative new ways of delivering primary and mental health care. Prisons hold some of the most challenging patients you are likely to see, so the scope for healthcare and health education is enormous. Placements with HMPS are generally 2 to 3 weeks and provide an unparalleled opportunity to experience healthcare in a very different setting. There are also a growing set of opportunities to work with faith-based organisations, which provide a lot of opportunities, from delivering outreach health in India to missionary health work in Africa. So, how do you go about planning your elective? Your elective gives you the opportunity to experience medicine anywhere in the world, from a busy city hospital to a remote tropical outpost or a charitable research centre. Wherever it is you want to go, it is important to find out as much as possible and to ensure you have planned everything well in advance so that you have the most hassle-free elective possible. You must make sure to research your ideas in detail, plan ahead as much as you can, and most importantly, make sure you plan for as many eventualities as you can imagine. This is why the Electives Network is really useful for you. The Electives Network provides a web-based resource that is used by students all over the world and contains key information on every elective on our vast database of medical institutions. In short, the Electives Network provides you with all the information you need to start the elective planning process with an easy-to-follow format. We have detailed hospital profiles, and each profile contains key information, photos, and a detailed description of what to expect at that institution. We also list some hints and tips and answer questions relating to each hospital, as well as providing information about teaching and research opportunities. You'll be able to access feedback from previous students who have recently completed their electives at that hospital, and most importantly, you will also be able to find relevant contacts for inquiries and applications for that placement. The Electives Network has many ways to search for your perfect placement. We think one of the best is to use our interactive planner to search all the hospitals we have listed and then shortlist hospitals that match your criteria. You can do this by selecting when you are going, where you would like to go, and then selecting your preferred specialty. The database will then show you matching electives. We also have a number of case studies on our site which will help you to find out more about the different hospitals on offer and also the types of experiences other students have had around the globe on their elective. It's a great way to shortlist all the things you want from your elective, and it can also be an eye-opener about places you would not have considered before. You can also get £20 for submitting a case study to the Electives Network. We aim to publish a new study each month, so there's always a chance to earn a little extra cash. The Electives Network also covers other areas of interest to a medical student planning their elective. This includes Q&As, student experiences, and a monthly newsletter. How do you gain access to the Electives Network? The good news is that access for all UK students is free through the MDU. So get out your MDU membership number or register with the MDU for free, then go to the Electives Network website and follow the clear instructions to access your perfect planning partner. And remember, if there are any questions or queries you have about the elective planning process or about your elective itself, then contact the Electives Network team on Facebook, Twitter, by email or by phone, and we'll do our best to help you with all of your elective needs.